We do mechanical engineering solutions, we do innovation delivery, we do product development, and we do enabling technologies for manufacturing. Majority of our clients operate within the healthcare, nuclear, and offshore marine markets. They come to us for the uniqueness of our approach. For example, everyone's talking about sustainability, but we talk about sustainability and we also implement sustainability in alignment with the UN SDGs. And when somebody approaches us to do the work, they're already aligned with the UN SDGs because of the work we do. We were using different pieces of software package. Our people had to work with multiple interfaces, which was not productive and it was counterintuitive. Then we got introduced to Graitec directly via Autodesk, and when we spoke to them, they said, look at our product design and manufacturing collection, which is pieces of software that come together to help any company that's in design, engineering, and manufacturing world. Rather than invest in 4 or 5 different software packages, everything comes in one bundle. The beauty of it is everything is within a single interface. Not only can the collection do really complex things, it gives us the consistency of experience, which is extremely important for us, so that no matter what piece of software you're using from the collection, it feels like you're using exactly the same thing. No need to learn new buttons, new layouts, new anything. All you do is get on with doing the actual job rather than focusing on spending time learning where the buttons are and navigating your way around it. As a consequence of that, we've also become more productive. And then more importantly, we've been able to deliver innovative projects to clients within and outside the UK. It's what comes along with the software, the entire experience of service, partnership, and ownership, like the atmosphere and everything else. That's what makes it easier for us to work with Graitec and makes them a preferred partner for us. Graitec are always there to help us when we are looking for a unique solution to a problem. It's a positive working relationship, and it's not just work, it's more on a human level as well. As a consequence of that, things are only going to get better with the way we do things and the way Graitec do things. There's a natural alignment and a similarity of wavelength and philosophies of thought. If you're an engineering or a manufacturing company who is looking for a solution that will help you across your entire product life cycle, I would definitely recommend giving Graitec a call and see what happens.